In front of me is POCO M7, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Apps section available here. Now the tricky part. You need to click on those three dots at the top right corner and click on Other Settings in the pop-up. Finally, you can click on Default Apps at the top and manage all of those sections however you want to. Just click on the chosen one, like Browser. Tap on the one you wanna apply as your new default, and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. If you will ever want to reset to default settings, click on this button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!